Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are finally starting off my rolling project polish for the year of 2019. If you don't know what it is, if you're a new follower, although I'm sure if you're a project planner and you're following my channel, you probably get the gist of what it is. So basically, I choose a certain amount of polishes and it's just an ongoing project where I try to finish nail polishes up, because nail polish is often a place that we don't think about using up. If it gets too old, we just kind of throw it away, but you know, we actually spent our money on them and it actually takes quite a long time to use up. So because I feel like I have way too many in an effort to have less, that's why I do project polishes, and I believe this is like my third year doing it, so yay! I honestly recommend you guys just to, even if you guys don't want to do like a full-on pick certain colors, just focus on a single nail polish just to use up, because I'm sure you are a culprit as well of having way too many than you actually need. So yeah, so I've chosen 5 nail polishes. Previously in the past I've done 7. I feel like 7 is a little too much, which is what I've learned. Also, sorry if the lighting's changing. I have natural lighting and it's been rainy on and off, so we have clouds going in and out. So if it gets brighter and it gets darker, I do apologize for that, but I can't control the weather, Sandra. Sorry. So I chosen 5. I feel like 5 is a perfect number where it's like I have variety to not get bored, and because I'm only focusing on 5 instead of 7, I'll be able to work through the polishes a little bit quicker instead of like constantly being like at a stagnant. And I've chosen a good different variety of different colors. So I'm going to show you real quick. So the first one I've chosen is the Essie nail polish, and this is in Romper Room, and I am almost to the halfway mark with this one. So as you can see, it is right there. This is a nail polish that I do have to put around 3 coats. It is a lovely color. If you watch some of my videos from early 2019 in January, you noticed I would have this color on. I really do love it. I think it's such a feminine but also like summery color without being like too stark white. So you can kind of use it year round, and I really do love this color. And I just want to focus on using it up because I love it that much and because I have way too many nail polish. The next one is one that I added into my 2018 project polish. This is Revlon's Old School Nail Polish in Optimistic. I did just put a line wherever it is now. I did erase the other line that I had. This one's going to take a little longer to use some progress because, as you can see, the bottle is more narrow at the top and it widens at the bottom. So progress will go a little bit fast for right here, and then it's going to be all slow. This is a fun color. It's one of those colors that kind of like brighten up your skin tone because it is a very cool toned pink. It's fun. I have a variety of colors again, so I just felt like I needed a hot pink. If you guys have heard my Never Ending Chronicles about my mishaps with nail polish and how they explode, yeah, this is an example. So another nail polish had exploded on this one. And because it's such like an ugly bottle, because it has all of this and I can't get it off, I decided to put it in my project pan and try to use it up. This is Essie's Butler Please. Like, Butler, please, who do you think you are? Oh, if only we could all have butlers. So it is up to right here. This is towards the end of the E in Essie. So as you can see, I have the marking right there, and I did try to pan a blue nail polish last year, but it's just not a blue that I'm super a fan of. But this is a blue that I love wearing year round because it's a little more brighter than like a navy, so this will be fun to use as well. I kind of tested out all of the nail polishes already to make sure those are the nail polishes I want to test out for the year, and it definitely is one. And again, because I really want to use this up just because the bottle's kind of ugly, not because I don't like the color or anything. It wouldn't be a nail polish project pan if I didn't have a type of light sky blue, baby blue. I decided to switch it up. I could have had the same one that I've been working on for the last 2 years. There's just way too much nail polish. If you guys want like to invest in a nail polish check out the Urban Outfitter nail polishes because I kid you not, like those are like never ending. But I decided to focus on my other nail polish that I have. So this is the Revlon Color Stay Gel Envy in Full House. I've only used it a couple of times because I have been focusing on the other one. So it's practically to the top. As you can see, the black line is right there. I don't know why I opened it. It just looks like it's actually like a gel. Anyways, it's a fun color, fun year-round color for me at least, because I do love these type of blues and like serenity blues, sky blues, all of that stuff. And last but not least, I have one that I kind of want to work on moving out just because it's not my favorite, and this is the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Mauve Over. It is up to here. It looks prettier on the in the bottle, but once I have it on my nails or on my toes, it pulls very brown, and I don't like that. And I've been on the hunt for like a perfect like pinky mauve, and this is not it. But because it is my no buy year, and because I have this, I'm not repurchasing, or I'm not trying to buy the one that could be my perfect mauve. And also like I'm just gonna try to use this up because I have it. This is one of those nail polishes I definitely don't like on my toes. Like, I just don't like it. I just feel like it just makes my toes look yucky, and toes aren't cute, like, to begin with. I would never have a foot fetish. Not that, like, it's bad if you do, but I just don't like toes and feet, so I would not be a person with a foot fetish. So I don't think this makes my toes look cute. So I definitely would only use this on my fingernails, and that's how I'm going to use that up. But these nail polishes tend to go by quicker just because they have only half of the amount as a full-size nail polish bottle. So as long as I use it, it shouldn't be a problem to use up. But those are the 5 nail polishes that I'm going to be working on as of now. As soon as I finish one up, I'm going to swap another one in, because it is a rolling project pan. So it is a project where I am constantly trying to use as much as I can, and I think this is good for me, especially right now. It'll stop my reasons to want to shop, even though I can't shop because I am on a year-long no-buy, and because I possibly might be moving, and it'll be easier to move with 15 nail polishes than like with 25, you know? Not that I essentially finish 10 from here till August, but you know, as long as I can move some up, then that's great. So let me know if you guys are doing something similar where you guys are focusing on using your nail polishes or anything up for whatever reason down below, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye!